Today I will be showing you how to go through Makerworld, pick a model and put it into Flashforge Print or Flashforge Studio. So you're going to start by going to your Makerworld. You have your account settings up here, over here, all shop and stuff. You can upload stuff. You have your all models, which will show all popular models or models that you may be interested in. Then we have this one, which is just like top models or models that you may have searched up and relevate to. Over here is the models that who you follow. I'm not following anyone, so there. This is the contest. So if you're a 3D modeler, you go here and you'll make something for the contest, like 3D cup holders and stuff. Here's crowdfunding, where you fund someone and they make things that are nice. Say this. Look at this. That's nice. But we're gonna start out by doing something simple. Let's see. Let's go with what do we choose? This one. You're gonna go here. You're gonna look at these real quick. So sometimes there's a lot, sometimes there's maybe only one. Sometimes there's multiple different ones. For like, let's say it's a multiple plate thing. Here it'll say how much plates it is and how much time it will take. This one is the color one, and it'll show you what colors you need. These are the colors that you're going to need for that. This is the kit card. So it's going to come like this. It's going to come in like this, and you're going to pop them out. This one, it says 0.2 nozzle, which is what nozzle you may have on your printer. Is that what you're going to need? But if you have a 0.4, you're going to need this one. And if you want this one, closed headlights at 0.4 nozzle, it doesn't really matter. It will change the nozzle anyways. But just I'd recommend using the one normally. So if you like it, pick that one. We're not going to go to that yet. I'm going to show you something else. Something that's probably multiple plates, like this, or this, even. See, that says 4 plates. That is a lot. It's going to take 9.5 hours. That means there's 4 separate times that you're going to print. It's not just all printing at one time. You're going to have 4 print plates, like, you know the thing on the printer. You're going to have to use 4 of those. You're going to pick yours. And I want to do this one. There's a 0.4 nozzle headlights up. You're going to download your 3MF. Make sure it downloads in the corner. And you're going to go down to your Flashforge thing. You're going to log in. Okay, now I've logged in. These things keep popping up, but you don't really have to. Just read it through and you'll see what it says. But Flashforge has its own models and stuff, but they're not great. They're a little terrible at this point. Not terrible, but they don't really have as much variety as you may think. But that's pretty much it. For the, just the Flashforge. Okay. So, you're going to press open project instead of new project. That one makes you, it could work, but I just recommend doing this one. It's easier. You're going to choose your file out of all these. This is the one I just downloaded, so I'm going to choose that. It's going to load. Okay. See, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you the rest. So, if you click on your thing, up here you got a whole bunch of choices. This is your scale. You're going to click on it if you want, and you're going to scale this up. Depends if you want to do that. You don't have to. Then we have this to rotate. If you want to rotate it, rotate it. I don't recommend doing it that way, but like, where's it at? Here. Like this. Look at that. I just rotated it. Now, let's just set that back to what it was. That's not what it was. It's alright. Okay, now here, you don't have to use this to move. It's not the fastest way to move. You can just click on it and move it like this. But you're going to use your left click to click on things and look around and stuff. And if you hold the thing on them, it will move them. You can use your right click to move the camera like this. Left click to do this. Right click to do this. So if I want to go over here and I want to lock onto this, I want to look right at it. There you go. You know how to move your way around. Now this is the lay on face thing. You shouldn't have to do this stuff, but let's say you move it too much and you forget where it was. Press lay on face and you'll be fine. This is your measure one, which you probably won't need to use, but it's pretty good, I guess. See? Then over here we have text basically. You press it, it'll give you text. This is your uh see, there's your text. I'm not gonna get rid of that right now. Then over here we have our painting, which I don't use much. Yeah, that's all you need to know for this one. Over here you got your basic settings, quality, strength, speed, supports. You're gonna need to know this. This enables supports, and these are your support things. So I like using tree. It uses less, and if you use tree organic, it uses a lot less. But you won't need support. Oh, you will need supports for this one. Yeah, this one would need supports. So, uh, yeah, that's what would happen. That's all you need. And remember to change this to your printer. You're going to, mine is the FlashForge 85X. If you're using FlashForge or FlashPrint, you're probably going to have FlashForge brand. But mine is this. You're going to have to go into here. You're going to have to select remove printers or whatever. And then you're going to have to look in your printers. See, here's the new ones. Here's the FlashForge Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro, the ones that I want. Yep. Then you could also go like bamboo. Wait, what? Do they not have bamboo lab? I don't think they have it. They might not have it. But you'll be able to do it. Then you're going to go to pick your printer, save, save. Then you're going to press slice plate once you're ready with all your stuff. It's gonna generate your stuff. Wolf birds. Okay. It's going to look at the supports that are there. I'm gonna get rid of that text right now. That is pretty annoying. There we go. That got rid of it. Oh, it's not available. So you have to look at the errors, like variable layer height is not supported with organic supports. So you need to go back to here and you need to change it to like tree slim or something. Or tree strong, slim. Slim and organic is probably my favorite, or default. Default's fine too. Then you go to slice plate. Grid plate. You're going to turn on your thing. Make sure it's updated. Make sure it's updated. I'm not going to show mine right now, but you're going to press your thing. You're going to make sure this is on, and if you want leveling on, you don't have to, but that's what I do. I always have time. You're going to choose your filaments for the right thing. Let's say I have more than one filament. If I have a green, a yellow, and a black filament, I'm going to go, when I press print, it's going to say like which one do you want to replace the yellow, which one do you want to replace the black or the green or whatever, and you're going to choose whatever one you want. Uh, that's pretty much all. Then you press send, and it's gonna load. It's gonna have a little loading bar here. It's gonna load, and then it's gonna send you to device status, which is basically right here. Mine is offline. It's probably not updated. Hmm. That's basically all. Uh, thanks for watching. I guess then I'll probably make a part two for more integrated, but that's basically all. Thanks.